Hi, Jimmy.
Oh. See, that's why you don't get to get out. Stop talking.
I'm talking back, Jimmy.
Are you in the frame? You're not on yours. That's perfect. Oops. How they gonna see you cutting the chicken if your leg is in there?
Well, that's what I'm saying. Is that the only person you sent it to? Is your mom?
My sister is my mom and my sister in the same.
Oh, it's a group chat.
Yeah, group chat. Yeah. That's the only people I sent it to. Yeah. Shit, I don't know, man. Really. Why? I didn't see you posted. Nothing.
Not yet, baby. I mean, as soon as I got slammed. I didn't even get. You never sent me that picture of us all at church. The only one I have of us at church was with Noah. I didn't get the other one.
Oh.
So I had to save that one that you posted on Facebook onto my phone so I can post that one too.
Oh, I thought because I tried to send it to you. I think.
And it never went through.
Yeah. I tried to send 4 of them, and I thought you had got at least one of them.
I went back to see if I had any saved. I didn't have any saved.
Man, that's nuts. I'll send them again. Because I was going to send them, but then I thought about that.
Yeah, because I can post that on my photos for you, YouTube and Facebook.
Well, see, the way I'm doing mine is like, I'm just posting everything on my...
You can come and help, you know.
Well, I don't know what you're cooking. You say
Chicken soup. So I have to peel potatoes and I have to peel carrots. I have to cut chicken. Then I gotta get the noodles.
Oh, you need help doing everything, huh?
I can do it.
I got it. I mean, I know what you're saying. You're saying that you're too bootylicious to... I would have got pre-cut potatoes there if I would have got potatoes there.
I like to do all my stuff like that.
You want the skin on or off?
And what?
On the
I peel everything off, the carrots and the...
Man, I'm not a good peeler.
I'll do it, don't worry. You want to finish cutting this?
No, I know a better way, easier way to do it.
What?
Okay, so what you do is... Okay, I'll show you. You don't even know what about. Alright, so... This is oh, you got a pillar. Man, okay. Why didn't you say you had a pillar?
And I bought me a...
What?
And I bought the can opener.
You got a pillar. This is a pillar.
Yeah.
Okay, so normally what the easier way to do it is you just put a line through here, then you put a line through here, and you put a line all the way around. And then when you boil it, and then you let it boil.
And then you peel it again.
Yeah.
It's easier. I got it.
Yeah, it just slips right off.
Same thing they say with the eggs. You boil the eggs and you put it in a bowl of ice and it's supposed to peel the eggshell right off.
Something like that. I don't know. I never heard that. That must be European or German.
Go ahead, say white.
What's white?
Racist.
I've never heard the word.
Sorry, baby. Your daddy.
Fundamentally correct. Yes, I know.
It's
crazy.
mentally challenged.
Very, very challenged mentally.
You don't like white people, but you married a white woman and had a baby with her.
Oh my lord.
So if you come out straight white, then it's an omen on your father.
That's crazy that my wife feels that way. She goes to bed every night thinking that.
That you hate me because I'm white.
That's not how you slice, man.
I'm just trying to cut the chicken and get it cooked. I don't care.
Okay, so I never peeled the potato with a peeler. Ooh, okay, I see. Ooh, oops.
Oh, Lord, help me.
I see. I need some for it to fall in. Lord, help me.
I will. Give me it.
I got it. I just never had used it, so it's really easy to learn. Oh dang! Actually, this is probably the best invention ever. Cause I've always done it with a knife if I had to do it. That sucks. By the time you peel it, half the potatoes gone.
I was gonna say, you got no potato. Peeling carrots, y'all.
Mm-hmm. I have to say, keep them boys in the Frankie. Ooh. Who taught you how to make chicken potato soup?
Myself. I had to learn how to make it when the kids got sick.
No, Rocky. What are you doing? Jumping up on me. Pop that! Pop that! Pop that! Pop that! Pop that! Ass. You put the them big boy slices.
No, I'm not done cutting. Cut them into fourths. I'm not gonna drop anything, so.
I already dropped plenty of stuff, but you don't want that. You don't want that, buddy. You don't want that, Slim Jers. It's not good for your health. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I miss you all day.
I'm here.
You can tell. You can tell when I'm.
Wife deprived.
I can't never tell because I'm barely getting responses.
I can't respond. I'm like, you know how many times I got caught on my phone today? I swore I was going to get rid of it.
Too many.
By the main boss. And I was like, oh, fuck.
He's like, oh, got me.
I was sending a text and she comes up and she goes, Tara. I was like, oh, shit. Turn the phone off real quick. I was
Oh.
like, yeah. She goes, did you do your survey? I was like, yeah, I already did. I did it on Monday. She's like, all right.
Oh, I'm great. No, I used to work at a bank lounge. Well, my boss, he had his name was Anwar. He was Muslim, right? He was a stickler. He used to just pop, like, I would go 5 hours not touch my phone. As soon as I touch it, he bam, right there. I was like, oh.
He had the radar.
No, he loved to write people up like these phones. He'd make you sign like 4 or 5 documents saying about how, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Just so when he write you up. It's crazy. He ended up like, he had an office that was upstairs. It was crazy because like, we had cameras on each floor. And he actually started living in his office. You heard some.
You know, it's the maintenance guys.
You thought it was Xavier? Oh, my mom's calling. She's gonna have to wait on recording me. I'm going.
She's gonna call me next.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna stop your video.
It's not gonna stop mine. I ain't stopping. Why stop yours? My video don't ever stop, Key. Oh, it might be about my dad. I might have to actually see what she's doing because you know how she starts panicking.
Mm-hmm.
If she calls again, we'll. Yeah. You gotta be answering your phone, David. It's very serious.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're doing yours with a knife?
I only got one peeler, baby.
I feel bad now.
I was gonna buy another one because I didn't know if I still had mine, but
You don't want to put some of you in your frame? You just all food? That's sophisticated.
I was just in the frame. I just supposed to get over to the food part real quick so they could see.
Okay.
And they saw me peeling the potatoes and cutting it.
Oh my god. How many potatoes are you putting in there?
And that's what?
Huh?
2, 3. Let me do one more. I love the potatoes in my soup.
Potatoes, soupy potatoes are really good. I swear if I go in there and see one turd, everybody's going back to jail.
Mm-hmm. Incarcerated.
You messed around and get locked up.
Call your mom.
Why?
Jimmy, you want to get your tongue cut off?
No.
You came up and left tonight. I don't know if you eat carrots, buddy.
He used to eat those. Okay, yeah. It's good for their vision.
He's chewing on it.
He eats carrots and blueberries. Blueberries is his thing. We used to put the blueberries in the ice. I'll call her. I'll let her know we're recording. I don't give a You and that Terrence are gonna get it. Huh?
I ain't doing nothing but cooking for my baby. It's only like a centipede.
You think it's a centipede? So you only putting one piece of chicken in there? I mean, it was a huge piece though.
Yeah, it was a big piece. can cut it down some more. I can put another half of one in.
Be careful.
Ice cream truck.
Yeah, it's hot outside, I guess.
That's the first time I heard ice cream truck.
Ever. Around here?
Yeah.
Ooh! Y'all not getting that. Oh God, Rocky be so determined.
A bit.
I got something for y'all. I'm glad. Cause your mama bought these passionately. Ain't nobody giving y'all no treats. Move, get off of me trying to steal something before you get punched in the throat. Man, hit it with a whoop. Rocky ate both of them at the same time. That's crazy. Up, Prince. It's slow. Oop. Prince, pay attention, Prince. No, Prince gonna think he's a run. That's crazy. She said she got the small ones because Prince can't eat the medium sized ones.
Mm-hmm.
But I told her, Jimmy and Rocky be eating these like these is chips.
Like, oh my God, it's raining.
Oh, you went up under the stove. That's crazy.
Your sister's calling now. What you hung up?
All right. We be right back. Y'all make sure y'all see us on the next episode, man. It's your main man, Damon Hall, and you know exactly what it is. Y'all make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, man. We cooking in the kitchen. Almost what we cooking?
Chicken noodle soup.
Chicken noodle.
Chicken noodle soup.
Oh God. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, man. We back. Yeah, alright. Free Blueface, baby. Let me call it. Like it's a. Oh, I'm gonna call it 3 times. What is the deal? Now I'm recording. Rocky, let somebody eat. Damn, that's 3 in a row.
Hey, Jamin.
Yes.
Yes, my hand is deep in him, and I've been calling up here about your dad's body. And then they said, well, we're not legally married, so the legal team says there's nothing I can do.
Well, wonderful.
No emergency contact.
All right, sounds like a blessing.
It is a blessing. We gotta act like something else first, okay?
What else are we? Because I'm recording.
Act like we can do something, but then we're gonna say we can't, because we're gonna let them have the body.
What?
All I need is that motherfucker to get down so I can get the murder death certificate. I need you to call this number right now. I'll send it to you.
Ma'am, y'all trying to put me into it. I got peace of mind right now.
No, you're the only one that's on his paperwork, David.
Well, you gotta say that at the beginning.
Uh-huh.
What is it that you need me to do? Please and thank you. Send it over here to me. Just put it on the check. I'm recording a cooking show right now with baby.
You know, we're gonna call them and maybe call your aunties.
That.
There was nothing we can do with the body, but we're gonna wait until Monday. This is the VA morgue. I'm sending you their number. Call them right now and tell them you're calling on behalf of your dad and give them your callback number, okay?
Three-way me or something, because again, I'm recording a cooking show.
Don't think it drives good.
Ben. Is it too much flavor in there? You remember what happened with the rice bag?
It's cute.
Yeah, I know. I put like 5 of them in there in that small thing. That's what I'm saying. It looks like the same like we did with it.
I know what.
Yeah. Have fun. I mean, it makes sense.
Tastes like water.
Mm.
I only put 2 cubes of chicken broth.
Mm-hmm.
Damon,
What?
leave a message. The recorder's on. Give them your number.
I didn't hear nothing.
Okay, say it. I'm saying the recorder is on, please.
What do you want me?
Can you please hit Damon on call at 213? What's your number, Damon?
323-481-0720. This is Damon Hall. This is Damon Hall. Please give me a call at 323-481-0720. It would be greatly appreciated at your earliest convenience. Again, this is Damon Hall calling on behalf of the family of Damon L. Hall Sr. Please give us a call back at 323-481-0720. It will be greatly appreciated.
Okay, take that down. Thank you, Damon.
Jesus. Your mama's voice stressful. Sorry, Peanut.
I know what she asked me to do, but I didn't hear nothing on there.
I know, I didn't hear it beep. I heard it beep once she hung up.
Well, because once I went above and beyond and said it 17 times.
Mm-hmm.
That's the thing about it. Y'all trying to get me up in this mix. I'm not in no mix. I don't care who gets the fight. Sheesh.
These were the ones.
I don't know if you like me to lose. That's gonna be perfect because again, it don't have to be super flavorful. You know what I'm saying? What up with you, girl?
Hey, my second, your siblings trying to call up there and see about the body and stuff. And since you were in the wheel and stuff, and it's your decision that you gotta
I called.
talk to the people.
Yeah, I called her and we just handled that real quick. I was recording a cooking show, so I called her. And we handled it.
Okay.
Yeah. We had to call and leave a message. Yeah. How you doing? Oh, she done hung up. Okay, no, maybe just got call failed. Anyway, I'm recording the damn show. Y'all done took my subscribers out. You know they came to see some chicken noodles. Oh, it's over. Damn, chicken was already cooked. Hello. Recording videos. Okay, cool. Hello. No, the phone. The call dropped. Oh, when you're on the way. I mean, in the QR code. I mean, they ain't doing too much. They ain't here begging, determined to catch any, determined to catch any dribblings of food. Well, it's a team effort. My heart, I know you had Jimmy for at least 3 years, so you figured we at least keep him for 3 weeks. Okay, let me tell the story the way I like to tell it. Okay, well, just let me know when you're getting ready. Boy, I'm trying to tell you, every single time, you're gonna need to pray about it, take a nap about it. I ain't lying. I know the good Lord, boy, I'm telling you.